Welcome to the Botanical Cake Studio. In this class, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dahlia, which is inspired by the cafe au lait variety, with its lovely creamy blush tones. Once you've mastered the basic shape of the dahlia, you can then go on to experiment with different colours to create slightly different varieties of dahlia in the way that I have done here. The class is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos, guiding you through every stage of the process, from making and colouring your own flower paste, rolling it out to achieve ultra-thin lifelike petals, forming your centres, layering up the petals, making accompanying buds and foliage, and dusting them all to bring them to life. I also provide accompanying cheat sheets and petal count guides, and there is a class Facebook group should you need a bit of extra support along the way. This class is suitable for different levels, however I do recommend a basic knowledge of sugar flowers, as some of the steps can be quite fiddly.